So we're still in the pandemic, but Larry and I both agree we're going to vote no to COVID and we're going to go to the Experience Convention show September 8th, 9th, and 10th. Hi, Larry. Thank you for being with us today.
Hey, Jeff, thanks for having me. We're really excited about the show coming up.
The experience is, I don't know how many you've had, but you've done it so many times, it should be easy.
That's a good one. This will be our 41st show. And we've been in Vegas, 20 some odd times. We're very excited to go back there. We're at the Paris Hotel, and it's a beautiful property to say the least. And man, our show is just coming alive.
Give us a few reasons why we have to come.
Absolutely. So, our show is built around education. And we've looked at the foundation of education of classroom, live demonstrations, and hands-on. And so that's what we've done. We've built 5 tracks of classroom education for the 3 days of the show. Fantastic presentations. So many of them, you're going to have to make difficult decisions about which ones to go see. Great presenters. Then when we leave the classroom, we go into our trade show hall. Now, the trade show hall is packed. It is a big room, 90,000 square feet, 240 booths, 18 pavilions, and we have more hands-on in there than we've ever had before. There is not just hands-on, but there's also campfires going on in there. And what a campfire is it's a small session of someone teaching a specific topic for a short period of time, 10 minutes or so. And so you can see all those campfires, but also at the Flood House, there's an ongoing program going on. Those are longer sessions. And this year we're introducing the Experience Cage. And in the cage, there's live demonstrations going on every 15 minutes, something new. And it's not one demonstration. There's 3 demonstrations going on at the same time in that cage area. It's a large area, fenced in. You go inside, there's a DJ in there. It's going to be a lot of fun, but there's so much to learn. And then Shaw, the largest manufacturer of floor covering in the world, has the Shaw Learning Lab. And that Shaw Learning Lab will be fantastic. And we have great instructors there as well. And then Tom Monahan's bringing in a full rug cleaning plant for you to go check out as well. And I guess I better say health and wellness is thriving in our show. So you got to be there to see it. And then the last thing I got to say to you is it's been a long time and we're tired of COVID. We want to get together and party. We're doing a party outside at the Paris pool. And we hired this band, not a band, but actually 5 lead singers from major bands from the late 70s and early 80s, like the lead singer of Journey will be there singing his songs. And it's going to be a fun concert, private concert, just for our attendees right after the dinner that you're all invited to.
Larry, you've really upped the game here when it comes to a show. So looking forward to it. How are we going to find time for a nap? I mean, not going to happen.
I think you sleep between midnight and 5 a.m.
Maybe so, but it is Vegas. So your brochure, which has all the information, is great. Your website, experiencetheevents.com, has all the information, including the agenda. Looking forward to seeing you, Larry, at the Experience September 8th, 9th, and 10th in Vegas.
I just want to invite everybody to come join us in Vegas. Going to be a great show, and we can't wait to see you all. Thanks, Jeff, so much.